Okay, so welcome back, and now we're going to do example of percents to fractions. So this involves an extra step, just like when we went to from fractions to percents. So now we're going to go the opposite direction. So the way we change these to percents is we're going to first put these as a fraction over 100, right? Because we're going to use the definition of a percent. We're going to make this into a fraction, something over 100. And then we're going to reduce it to lowest terms. That's it. So 40% is equal to 40 over 100, right? By definition of a percent, per 100. And now we're going to reduce this. Well, this reduces to 4 over 10, right? Because I can divide both the top and the bottom by 10. And then I can divide the top and the bottom by 2, which gives me 2/5. And there is the final answer. Okay? Now, I could have just divided the top and the bottom by 20. That would have worked. But again, just make sure that you reduce it completely. So 60%, well, that's going to be equal to 68 over 100. Okay? And so again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, well, divide by 2. Well, no, I'm going to divide by 4. I can divide the top and the bottom by 4. Okay, so top is going to give me 16. No, that's not right. 17. So 17 over 25, and can't reduce it any further because 17 is a prime number. Okay, now what about this one? This one here, again, we're going to write it as a fraction, so this means a 125 over 100. And now I'm going to divide the top and the bottom by 25. And that gives me 5 over 4, right? Which gives me, oh, that's it. We're going to fractions. Okay, so 5/4, or, oh, and then we can write it into a mixed number, which is 1 1/4, right? So this is 1 1/4. Okay? Now, what about this one here? Now, this one we have a decimal with a percentage. So again, we're just going to follow the same steps. We're going to write it as the number over 100. So 0.2% means 0.2 out of 100. So we're going to write 0.2 over 100. Okay? Now, we don't want a decimal in either the numerator or the denominator. We want integers. Okay? So the easiest way that I see automatically to do this is just multiply the top and the bottom by 100. Move the decimal point over to the right one spot. So if I multiply the top and the bottom by 10, I get 2 over 1,000, which is reducible because I can divide the top and the bottom by 2, which gives me 1 over 500. And that's the answer. Now, I could have just multiplied the top and the bottom by 5 and been done with it. But again, as long as you get to the reduced answer, you're fine. Okay, that's it. Have a great day.